Hello, this is Osas Iyamu, immigration attorney at law offices of Osas Iyamu. Now, often the time when most of my clients do become naturalized citizens, one of the questions I get at the end of it all is, Attorney Osas, I should be able to destroy all my documents now. I don't need to keep them, right? I think that's a judgment call each person will have to make. There are situations where, yes, if you let go of all of those documents, if you ever need them in the future, you're actually able to do a FOIA to obtain records of documents you've submitted to the government. Yes, you can retrieve that from the government. How about those documents you did not submit? So let me give you a real life case that I read through a long time ago, and it's just something that stayed with me. Now, what happened? This immigrant came into the United States as a visitor, obtained his green card, the 2 years green card through marriage to a U.S. citizen. Thereafter, he got a 10 years green card. Thereafter, he became a citizen. 40 years down the road, he had some issues with the U.S. government. It had to do with criminal stuff and all, and somehow in the process, it led to the government reopening his case. They started investigating how he obtained citizenship in this country. When they went back into his file, they saw that he got his green card through a U.S. citizen. They tracked down that U.S. citizen's spouse, got a confession out of her that at the time they went through this whole green card process, they were not really living together. Everything they put on the application was all bogus. And on the basis of that, denaturalization proceedings was instituted against this man. They took away his citizenship, and because the green card was fraudulently obtained, guess what? He had nothing to fall back on. And as a result, he was deported. Now, just imagine a situation like that. How will he fight such an allegation in the absence of documents? Yes, maybe they were really married. They actually had a life together. There were documents back then, but he no longer have access to those documents now. What would a man like that do in a situation like? How will you fight back without some of those documents to show that, well, yes, we were married, we actually had a real marriage? It's all going to be through documentation. So should you destroy all documents after becoming a citizen? If you're able to maybe convert all of those documents to an electronic file and save them somewhere, all well and good. But the goal is apply wisdom.